Hey everybody, welcome back to Hemanth FX. In this video, I'm breaking down another Euro USD trade that delivered a clean 2 hour using my, as usual, ICT concepts. First, we need context. So we'll go through higher time frames. Basically, on daily, I had nothing yesterday. So I went to 4 hour. This was the place, this was a POI which I've marked 4 hour bullish fair value gap. And I went to 1 hour. This is another POI which I have marked. So as soon as price tap that, I'll show you in my journal also my plan. So basically, this is my trading journal which I use personally. So pre-session motive yesterday. This is my plan basically. So this is a 4 hour fair value up. I'm looking for longs from here, and in 1 hour I had two plans. Either we can react from here, or we can go take out Asian lows and respect the 4 hour fair value up and then go ahead. These are the two plans I had. So as soon as price tapped this 1 hour fair value gap and the 4 hour bullish fair value gap, I went into 5 minutes, and in 5 minutes things get interesting. At the lows, we've got SMT divergence, meaning correlated markets fail to make new lows while Euro USD. So basically, all the other correlated markets like GU, all the other pairs which are correlated with Euro made new lows, whereas Euro hasn't made new low. That means Euro is much stronger than those pairs. So that gave me one confirmation before the break of structure itself. Now, after this break of structure, it confirmed me that okay, my bias is right, but now I need to wait for my entry. So this is the break of structure where I've got. Now my entry, I'll always use in fair value gaps as my entries. So there's no fair value gap formed in this entire legs. Break of structure happened, no fair value gap. Another structure break happened, no fair value gap. Another structure break happened, then I've formed, then we have got the break of structure. Now, as usual, entry at the top of the fair value gap, stop loss below the swing low. Now, this is where things become interesting because ideally, a lot of you might think either your stop loss should be here or here because you might think that is as your swing low. But technically speaking, once we've got this break of structure, price retraced back again and then broke the new high. So technically this is our new swing low. Again what happened? Again price made a high, retraced back, again broke that new high. So right now this is our swing low. So here itself my stop loss will be there and my targets are set at 2 hour. Once I enter the trade, my job was simple: do nothing. No trailing, no panic, no over management. If the setup is correct, the market will do this work. That's it. And price did exactly what it was supposed to do. Clean expansion, clean delivery, 2 hour achieved. See, every day I trade the same model, and every day I show the same patience, and every day the same literal execution. So you need to make things as boring as this. So this is so basically this is how it goes. It needs to be boring, meaning you need to do the same thing again and again and again and again. So yeah, that's all about my yesterday's trade. Most probably this is the last trade of for my year 2025. So let's see how things goes with 2026. If you want more real trade breakdowns like this, like the video, comment below and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, see you. Bye bye. Trade safe.